Hello, my festive friend, and welcome to the cozy festival corner. The air is chilly, the lights are twinkling, and festival is almost here. Usually, when we think about festival trees, we picture big, tall trees reaching the ceiling covered or glittering ornaments or shining stars. But today, we are doing something different. We are celebrating the tiny handmade festival trees, small tiny creations that carry just as much holiday magic, sometimes even more. Why tiny trees, ask you? Because not everyone has space for a giant tree, and not everyone wants to spend a fortune on decoration. Small handmade trees are affordable, creative, eco friendly, and absolutely heartwarming. They are perfect for little corners of your home, for your desk at work, for a child bedside table, or even as a sweet handmade gift. Even kids are very happy to make them by themselves. So grab your hot glue gun, some jute felt, or a few pine cones, and let's make the season sparkle with mini magical tree. Small trees might be tiny in size, but they're the big in charm. Imagine walking into your living room and spotting a little handmade tree glowing softly on the shelf. Or think about your child smiling when they see their own tiny festival trees on their study desk. This there's something very personal about these little trees. Unlike a giant store bought one, these mini creations are crafted by hand with love and care. Each one tells a story, and the best part, they don't need a lot of money, just some creativity and simple supplies. The festival trees remind us the maximum. The festival isn't about how grand your decoration are, it's about how much joy they bring into your heart. Start with a paper cone, glue it together, and then decorate it with glitter buttons, sequins, or wrapping paper scraps. You can even make a whole little forest of cone trees in different sizes. Place them on a table runner, and you instantly have a festive display. Nature gives us ready-made mini trees in the form of pine cone. Paint them green, dust the tips with white paint or glitter to mimic snow, and glue tiny beads as ornaments, but each one in a cork base or a small jar lid, and you have got the cutest rustic tree. Rustic lover will adore this one. This cardboard cones, wrap them in jute or twine, and decorate with small stars, lace, or mini bells. These have a farmhouse charm and look beautiful on mantel and side tables. Take mason jars, lid in a cone shape, glue them securely, and then decorate with fairy lights, ribbons, or fabric. This creator creates a unique metallic styles festival tree that shines